Hello, I'm Sarah and I am going to show you how to pop perfect popcorn without a popcorn maker. No kernel will be left behind, none will be burnt. Oh, that is beautiful, that is perfect. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I've got a pot on the stove top. I've got the heat turned on high and I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of this. Got it? Now, just smoosh the oil around so it covers the bottom. And here I'm going to add a decent dollop of butter or cheapy table spread, whatever floats your boat. I say decent dollop, sort of, I don't know, tablespoon, maybe that's a bit more than a tablespoon. This stuff here, this stuff is cheap as. So to get about an ice cream container full of popcorn, I'm using about 1/3 of a cup. Here's part of the trick. I'm going to get 3 kernels. Pop them in there. 1, 2, 3. Put the lid on. And just wait. Now, when those 3 kernels pop, then I know that it is exactly the right heat to pop the rest of them in. So that is a good indication. You want to get them in there when it is just the right temperature. So we just have to sit back and wait for those 3 to pop. Sometimes it takes longer than others. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now, stick the rest of them in. And shut the lid. Now, to stop these kernels from burning, you need to shake them often. So, just 1, 2, 3. So you sort of pick them up off the bottom. Don't just wriggle like that. You go actually pick it up, give it a good jiggle. Helps if you've got a pot with a big handle on one side like that. Oh, there we go. Poppage has started. 1, 2, 3. We leave it for about 5 seconds and then another jiggle. 1, 2, 3. Keep it out there. See, this is also a bit of a workout as well.
Yeah, and it looks like they're playing a game.
They are playing a game. A jumping game. So by doing that, you're getting all the unpopped stuff to the bottom. You're just moving them around so they don't burn. I'll put this in your lunch box for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do that. Really slowing down now. Right. Oh, a few stragglers. Want to get all these kernels popped, otherwise it's going to prove us wrong. Right. I think we're about done here. You take the lid off. I'll grab a container. And look at that. Beautiful. Perfectly cooked popcorn. Here we go. What do you mean except for one? Well, there's some bitty bits that came off them. There we go, none were left behind. None is burnt. That is perfect. Now, this popcorn I'm actually going to use for the kids' lunch boxes tomorrow because it's a great thing for lunch boxes. But I will quickly show you a great method for making this into salt and vinegar popcorn. The reason I'm actually not going to do it right now is because if you do this, you need to eat it straight away. So it's great if you pop it and you're sitting down and you're watching a movie straight away. You get another ice cream container. You put, for this amount, it depends how strong a flavour you want. I put about 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, sprinkle it over, and about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And you pop another one over the top like that. And you shake, 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 shake until it's combined, and it makes the most beautiful salt and vinegar flavoured popcorn. Disclaimer, it's not quite as crunchy. Obviously you're putting liquid on it. It is going to go slightly damp, but if you're eating it straight away, it is just so yummy. It is such a nice alternative to like salt and vinegar chippies. And I am partial to salt and vinegar chippies. So, but as these stand now, I mean, for the amount we used 1/3 of a cup, that's filled an ice cream container. That's going to go in the kids' lunchbox tomorrow. Is that alright, Olivia?
Can we have a bit now?
Go on, you test a bit. Make sure it's edible. But that is beautiful. Do it.
Buttery.
Hit like, leave me a comment, hit subscribe, and make some popcorn. Don't buy it pre-bopped. Seriously. Bye.